Actually, we have a few questions for you.
¿Cómo está mi briboncito?
We need this, Dev. Everyone deserves a break, even Bribón.
How do you know what this is?
Layla told me.
Sorry, Dev.
Let's make it quick then. So, I was organizing civilians for evacuation, and Bribón needed a few fixes. Fire. Speak. Oh, come on.
This is where the evacuation's happening.
Password?
Espelioja.
Thanks. Let me see that leg. It looks...
All it takes is a tiny bit of torture to get passwords out of scared little... Fire!
Wow. I only have a couple of additional questions.
Actually, we have a few questions for you.
¿Cómo está mi briboncito?
Bellwether, still causing grief at the shipyard.
Chew on this, cabrones! Who's a good robot?
Watch out! There's more of them!